Hello guys, and welcome back for another video on this channel. So in this video we're going to make keto morning bread or breakfast bread, and you can use this bread for many awesome things, and we're going to do many other awesome videos with this bread. So let's get to the recipe. But before we do, if you're new to this channel, I would love to have you subscribe. So just press this button that is here on the screen so you don't miss any of the new videos that are coming out. Okay, let's get cooking. So for this recipe, you need 3 deciliters of almond flour, 1 deciliter of psyllium seed, ground psyllium seed, 3 eggs, 3.5 deciliters of water. You need salt, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So before we mix anything together, you preheat the oven to 175 degrees and a lot of Fahrenheit, and then you mix all the dry ingredients here into one bowl. This is the baking powder. Put a pinch of salt. I put a bit more because I like it salty. Okay, so put all the dry ingredients here in this bowl. Now I'm going to put half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into the water, and then we're going to boil this water. And once the water is boiling, then we're going to pour it here and mix it up. So now we're going to wait for this to boil, and while we're waiting, this recipe is going to be up on our website. Please feel free to check it out. On this website we have a lot of cool recipes, accessories, and stuff that helps you stay on the keto diet, and if you do anything on this website, it obviously helps the channel. So now the water is boiling. One power tip: you want to wet your hands very much, because otherwise the dough is going to stuck to your hands. Or stick to your hands. So here comes the water. We put it in. And now we'll mix it up. So this is the dough. As you can see, as I said, wet your hands before because it's really sticky. Good, so now we come here. So now we're going to make the buns, and these are going to come up really nice, so you don't have to make very big buns. I mean, I like them sort of small, so I can make maybe like 9 and 10 out of this dough, but if you want bigger buns, then maybe you can make just 5, and then you have 5 really big ones. Additionally, you can put seeds on this if you want, flax seeds or even nuts if you want, but we skip that for now. So when this is done, you put them in the oven for about 50 to 55 minutes, and then you're good to go. So let's put these in the oven. So the breakfast bread is ready. Look how nice they look. I'm going to put the calorie data for you on the screen. You can see how much they came up. I did different sizes. This came out to be really big. We're going to let them cool a bit, and then I'm going to show you the inside so you get an idea of what they look like. So this is what the inside looks like. It's an awesome texture. This bread is awesome for sandwiches, and you can do a lot of things with them. We're going to do a lot of videos with them. So I hope you liked it. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to visit our website, and I will see you in our next video. Ciao.